Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning number, shapes and colors. Oh no, all the numbers and shapes have gone missing. But don't worry kids, let's find them one by one. It's a number 1 green apple. Did you see here any number 1? Yes, let's put them. Now 2, 1 and 2, 2 oranges. Did you see any number 2? This is the number 2. No, this, no, this, yes. Let's put them back number 2. Now number 3. 1, 2 and 3. Did you see any number 3? This? No. Then this? Yes, this is the number 3. Let's put them back. Now is number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 pineapple. Did you see number 4? Yes, you find it. Let's put them back. Now is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 bananas. Did you see here number 5? Yes. Now is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. Yes. Now it's number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Did you see number 7? Oh yes. It's a 7. Now it's number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's number 8. Yes. Now it's number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9. Lemon. 9. Yes, it's a 9. Now it's last number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the 10. Yes. Now all shape, it's a triangle. Green triangle. Did you see any triangle here? Yes. This is the triangle. Now it's purple round circle. This is the circle, no. Then this is the purple circle. Yes. Now is purple hexagon. This is now. This, yes, this is the hexagon. Now it's a pink rectangle. Yes, this is the rectangle. Now square.